The next part of my test of the Matthew Paul striker slash blacksmith knife. It's going to be a standard bow drill. Going to reshape the blunt in a little bit. These flat finger rest works phenomenal for comfort. Really good thinking on Matthew Paul's part. He's the blacksmith that made this. Excellent, really excellent. Okay. That looks okay. This is a piece of Sycamore. So I'm just reestablishing the blunt end after attempting to drill to various funguses, various results. There we go. This is poplar. So might as well make another fire hole. Shape is a very intuitive drill. Bit like a cap art, but also like a drop point too. So it does a really good job at that. Okay. Now I should do the burn-in. Then I'll carve the I will carve the V-notch. Might be a little wobbly, but I didn't quite. This will also be the first time I've ever used Sycamore on Tulip poplar. I don't know how that's going to work. It has a strange, stringy shavings, but we'll see. We'll see how that works. I want to go for the middle. Use that to mark the middle. Start the cutting process. Generally speaking, when you're cutting a V-notch, it's a good opportunity to accidentally cut yourself. Like that. That was stupid. I shouldn't. I should pay further attention to what I'm doing, because sometimes you're cutting sort of toward yourself. So it's probably a good time to slow down, think about what's going on. Rather than jump in there all half-cocked in a big hurry. I'm no expert on bow drill, but I think a lot of people make the notch too small, and that's why there's a lot of failures. It's just my opinion. I also cut out the back side a little bit. Knife is doing excellent, just an excellent job. I mean, granted, Tulip poplar isn't exactly the world's toughest wood, but that's one of the reasons why I'm actually using it, is that it's not a very, very, very hard wood. If it was a really hard wood, I probably wouldn't use it for a fireboard. This isn't to say that hardwood fireboard can't work. It's just, it's something I don't do. A lot of other people don't either. Some people do though, but not for me. Frankly, I need all the help I can get. Does an excellent job. Excellent job. I'm going right into there, carving that up. You can definitely see this knife as part of a survival kit in the woods. Of course, survival is really for me just fun. Odds of me being lost. But hey, you know, feels a good fantasy role. But with this knife, I can make fire in a couple different ways. If for some reason my matches are gone. Then again, if I'm in the woods and I don't have lighter, matches, fire steel, what the hell am I doing there? It's really a series of really major screw-ups had to have occurred for that to be. You know, I think that's almost okay. Now, if you make your notch too big, the spindle is going to want to fly out. We don't want that, and the spindle's already, in my opinion, a little too close to that edge. So we want to take a little bit of caution here. And it may not work. I've never used this wood combo before. There's no guarantee I'm going to get a coal. All right, I think that notch is good enough. A little more off of here. See the back side, take it more off the back side. I don't know if everyone does that. It's something I do. Okay. Our goal here is just a coal. We're not shooting for a we're not going for a there we go. We're not going for a fire, just a coal. This is just front yard practice. I always test my stuff out in the yard before it's ever going to see the field. Even something as simple as a little knife that's probably got to do what it's going to do. But I don't want to be out in the woods having a good time and realizing my gear is not working because I didn't test it. Shooting for a coal. Just a coal. Okay, whoops. Despite my best attempts to screw it up. Oh, don't tell me I think I just snuffed out our coal. Oh, wasn't that stupid of me. Or perhaps it was a false coal, but that was definitely a coal. I might have just snuffed it out. I don't think so, though. We can give this another try. Got a weird texture to the, a very strange texture to the wood, though. I don't know if I like it. Okay. Let's try this again. I'm rather shocked that I somehow screwed it up, but I guess I did. Okay, I think that's a call. That's definitely a call. Okay, that's our coal extender. There we are. Some of this other fungus right here. A little grass from our previous tinder bundle. Well, that's enough to get a flame, I don't know. We'll give it a try though. I wasn't really wanting to make a fire here, but I don't know, once you start getting a fire going, it's kind of hard to stop. See if I can blow this little tiny bit into flame. Alright, here we go. Come on, you. Don't fight me. There we go, flame. Not much flame, but we got flame. There we are. Okay. Well, that's official then.